Hello everyone, this is the review of this diorama model kits. Now this is from a generic brand. Let's have a look at the box. I suppose this is the brand, and it says that the product can be played with classic brick. I don't know what is a classic brick. Lego maybe. It's unassembled, means it comes in parts, and it comes with one car. It says classic house. I suppose it means a old style house, and it says Tasty Bakery, the shop. It comes with diecast vehicle. The model kit easy to assemble, beautiful and elegant, expandable and interchangeable. Very sophisticated. And at the back you see the whole set of houses, and I bought it from this DIY shop, and there is a small instruction on how to assemble the houses. Now this resembles the diorama from RMZ City. I'm going to show it to you. This is RMZ City, and it comes with RMZ City car. So it looks quite similar, especially this house. And this house. Anyway, let's put the RMZ City aside and open this box. Now the scale is 1/64. And it comes in pieces. Now first the car. It's a unlicensed car, which, well, there is no need to say which kind of car they are trying to copy. You can see from the feature here. And you have your house. Now if I'm correct, this is the front and this is the roof. Now if you want it single story, so you just put the roof like this, or double story, and you have to put in. Now I wonder, because this is a copy of the original, so the fitting might be difficult. Wouldn't fit in. Okay, there you go. And this one is, I don't know where this comes from. Maybe it's a spare. And this one goes at the back. This is the glass for the front. And you have your stickers. Ooh, bakery. They take the picture from the bakery and stick it in. And there is a brochure. It is too small to see what kind of shop it is, but I can see this is an ambulance, if you can see it. And these are all corner houses, and you can assemble it like this, or you take the corner and you make it a round building. Now in future I might fully assemble this and maybe do another review, but for now I already have the RMZ City, so I'm not going to assemble this. Just put it back in. Now this costs around 19 ringgit or 380 euro, so it's quite affordable, and maybe I might get more variant. Now unlike the one from RMZ City, the road in front of the house is different. For RMZ City you get a road. This one you get a track. So there you go. I hope you like this diorama model kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.